a tiny reviewer friend. A tiny reviewer. Today I'm going to be reviewing beef shepherd's pie. Nutrition facts are here. Ingredients are here. Long one, huh? There is this long label that I'm not going to read, although I really want to. Here's the conventional oven cooking instructions. Here's the microwave cooking instructions. We need to open it. I'm not good at unboxing these types of boxes. Although I'm an unboxer myself, because I'm literally taking videos of unboxing some type of something. How many do they have? One. Looks like if you're gonna feed a family of 4, you guys will need 4 of these. I'm only eating this by myself because my mother and father is eating something else for lunch today. Now let's go into the oven. Near the oven. And before we, put it into the oven, let me show you. We kind of put a little hole in there so the hot steam can get out. So this is, 9 minutes 40 seconds right now left of this cook time. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty delicious. So this is a shepherd's beef pie that is out of the oven now. It's a bit swelled. So we're gonna move it to a different plate. Like a Thanksgiving meal, although it's kind of mixed together. See, that's the meat, mashed potato, peas. Looks like that's the yellow stuff is corn and carrots. So I'm gonna eat part of it first, not gonna mix it up. I'm gonna kind of taste the meat first, and then when I finally get to eat it for lunch, I'll just mix it like a salad. I'm eating the meat right now. Best meat ever. The meat is the best. Well, so far I've tasted the meat is the best. It's so soft and like shredded. Let me taste it if I can find it. Also, it's pretty soft, so it kind of rips. Next is mashed potato. Great. So it's kind of soft and there's like gravy little scent. And let's try the vegetables if I can get a handful of something. Or the meat or the vegetables. I love this. I want my father to go back to Trader's right now and get 15 more of this. And this is half of it, so I have another half right there. I thought it was a half, but he said it was a third. So it looks like I'm gonna have to eat. If I eat this amount 2 more times actually, because this is the third, 2 more times. I love it, absolutely love it. So like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.